Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are getting into this easy but kind of fun makeup look with a pink glitter liner. So we're going in with the Juvia's Africaque palette, and I'm taking that first color that I showed you and putting that all over the lid. In hindsight, I kind of do wish I used a different color because it wasn't really giving me the color payoff that I was looking for, but it all ended up working out in the end. It's actually pretty funny because I was actually I was just really not in a makeup mood, and I probably should have filmed this a different day. I was not feeling this thing, but it actually doesn't look that bad as I am looking at it in editing. Now, I am taking my Kiss lash glue in white, and I'm applying that on my lid. That is what I'm going to use to sketch out my eyeliner. My wing liner. You guys know that I do use a little bit at a time while wiping off my brush as I go. That way, everything kind of is smooth and not all clumped up together, and the glue is not drying up and becoming a really nasty mess before I'm ready to apply the glue. But yeah, like I was saying, it's really important that, you know, if you're really not in the mood to film a makeup look, you probably shouldn't, because I didn't like anything, and I actually wasn't even going to upload this video because I didn't really like it. But looking at it from this view, it actually turned out kind of cute. And fun fact, this is actually, I've had this camera for probably almost a month, and this will be the first makeup look that I have filmed on this camera. So as you can tell, it's a lot of moving, it's a lot of shaking. The color and the lighting may not be all that, but yeah. You can definitely make this glitter liner as thick as you would like. You really, with it being just that tan color all over the lid, you really can go as all out as you would like, or as simple as you would like. Next, we're going to go in and move on to face. I am using this moisturizer. This moisturizer is really good going underneath the skin. It definitely adds an extra glow to your skin. And you guys know I have dry skin, so it definitely helps make my skin look really dewy. I do go in with a random brush that I believe I got off Wish and kind of buff that into my skin. Now, this is the first time that I'm kind of showing you guys my face routine. Since I've actually been using the e.l.f. foundation, I decided to show you guys that. However, I did purchase some new foundation and concealer, so I will be doing an updated foundation routine very soon. I do go in next with my e.l.f. foundation in the color Caramel. I like to put a couple of pumps on my hand, and y'all, we was right there to the bare minimum. We was barely making it, y'all. And I like to apply that with, you know, kind of little, I don't know, streaks, whatever you want to call it, all over the skin. And then I take my Real Techniques brush, foundation brush, and really kind of stipple that into the skin. Don't smear, kind of just buff it in, because you want a smooth area. I don't actually put foundation on my forehead. I like to use whatever's left over on my hand and put it on my forehead, so it's not too much. Once I have my foundation all in, I do go in with my new ColourPop concealer. And y'all, this is really some good stuff. I can't believe it. I am shook. That is in the color Medium Dark 120W is what that ColourPop is in. And again, I do the same thing and let that kind of just, I did something new today, and I'll probably do that in my updated foundation routine, but I really, again, just kind of buff that into the skin. I do use my LA Pro concealer in whatever dark brown that is for my contour. And pretty much once I do the contour and set that with a bronzing powder and apply my brush and highlight, that pretty much is what I do to the face. I do add some lashes off camera and my lips, but that pretty much concludes the look. So I hope you guys do decide to try this look for Valentine's Day. It's one of the looks. I do plan to do another one coming up. Let me know if you decide to recreate this at me so that I can share it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.